Yes, sir. If you've ever been out here, you already know what that is. So, just checking in and showing y'all what we got going on. Forgy let me design a new wheel. So, if you remember a couple years ago, we did the Twisted Maglia. This year, we're going to drop another one. So, if you follow us on Instagram, you already saw. We're going to see about them, you know, cutting the wheel, finishing the wheel. And I'll show y'all around the factory if you haven't already seen it. So, appreciate y'all checking in. Let me take y'all around. Boy, it's bigger than Walmart out here. We'll do a walk around on the inside. Show y'all behind the scenes of some processes setting up. All the magic happens. Literally. So you got some that say they do it. Got these other wheel brands. But they set up saying ain't near here. So I've been coming out here the last 8 years, man. It's just impressive to see the growth. Motivational to say the least.
Yo, YBH.
Hello? Oh, sí, que gracias. Dale. Okay, bye. Here we go. First official. Forgiato way, just got it finished. The old experience to come out here, put together, see it come together, do the finishing. Brushwork. So y'all see it hit on the shoot soon. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video and let y'all see a little bit more, but huge shout out to Forgiato. It's crazy to see a design actually come to life. Both people do it at the same time. So just check out the detail. You got 2 windows for the most part, so you'll be able to add color here. Add color there. You got the actual spoke of the wheel that's come down to the blade on the flange. So you got color that you can add right here. Got the actual flange you'll be able to drop some color in. So that'll connect to these two windows. So even if you just want to do a black on the flange and a window, cool, you still got a brush face. There's gonna be so many ways you can add detail that separates it from other wheels. So something super nice. It's gonna look good on your new body. It's gonna look good on, you know, your old school. Just gonna have to build it right. Even got it to where you don't have no bolts. It'll be hidden hardware. Clean it up a whole lot more. But you know, just gotta add a little flavor to it. But it's plenty of options to be able to build this wheel out, spec it out, personalize it for you, and we go forward from there.